Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 has a built-in FM radio or not. Now to check if the Poco C75 has a built-in FM radio or not, just open the app drawer. Now from here, search FM radio. Now as you can see, the Poco C75 comes with a built-in FM radio. Now to use the FM radio, as you can see, connect a wired earphone and try again. Now, just connect your smartphone with a wired earphone, just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the power button, you can enable the FM radio. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 comes with a built-in FM radio or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.